Have a wonderful day ahead. Today, I'll be sharing new recipe for everyone. How I hope guys, you will like it. Anyway guys, if bago lang kayo sa aming channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below and click the notification bell to be updated for our upcoming new videos. For today's recipe guys, magluluto tayo ng bok choy beef stir fry. Guys, meron tayo ditong 600 grams of sukiyaki beef. Ito guys, meron tayo dito sukiyaki beef. Actually guys, binili ko to sa supermarket. So, I didn't wash it anyway. Tapos, i-drain ko lang siya para lang matanggal yung excess blood niya. So, let's transfer guys sa ating mixing bowl. Here. I-spread lang natin siya guys, para hindi siya masyadong dikit-dikit. Para pag hinalo natin, at pag nilagyan natin siya ng ating seasoning, hindi siya malalabsak masyado. Okay guys. And then guys, para sa seasoning nito, let's put a bit of salt. Here guys, meron dito tayong salt. Maybe 2 pins lang ng salt natin. Guys. 2 pins of salt. And then, meron tayo ditong black pepper powder. So, 2 pins of black pepper is enough though. And then, meron tayo ditong mirin. Guys, cooking wine. In Korean, mirin. So, we have here also mirin. Lagyan natin siya ng mga 2 tablespoons of it. And then, guys, meron din tayo ditong 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So, let's put it here. Let's mix it up, guys. Mix lang natin siya. Guys, mix mo lang siya with gentle para hindi siya masyadong malabsak yung ating beef. There, guys. So, guys, so mix na natin yung ating beef. So, let's set aside for a while. And then, meron tayo ditong 10 cloves of garlic. So, slice natin siya. There guys, slice yung ating garlic. 10 cloves of garlic. So, slice din natin yung ating leeks or scallions. Guys, pwede natin siyang i-mix sa ating garlic kasi mamaya pag isusutik natin siya, magkasama lang siya guys. Ito guys, tapos na. So, ilagay lang natin din siya sa ating garlic. There. This ang ating bok choy beef stir fry. Malamang, hindi siya magiging bok choy beef stir fry yan without our Taiwan pechay here. This one guys. Sa ating sauce guys, meron tayo ditong 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And then, 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. There, guys. And then, we have here also our 4 tablespoons of cooking wine. And 2 tablespoons of white sugar. And then, lastly, guys, meron tayo ditong black pepper powder. Some of our black pepper powder. Guys, i-mix up lang natin siya ng mabuti. And then guys, meron tayo ditong sesame oil liter para sa final touch natin. There guys. So let's start cooking. Stir fry na natin yung ating beef. Guys, let's start cooking. So let's heat our pan. And then if our pan already hot, so let's pour some oil on it. There guys. Some some oil lang, enough oil para isotate natin yung ating garlic and leeks or scallions. So here guys. So guys, let's saute our garlic and scallions. Anyway, yun na siya guys. Ito guys, yung ating garlic and then yung ating scallions, nag-ano na siya, turn to translucent. So, next, let's put our beef. Ito guys, i-ano lang natin. Mix lang natin siya ng mabuti. So guys, as you can see, malapit na siyang maluto. So let's pour our sauce on it. Guys, ito, ilalagay na natin yung ating Taiwan pad chai or bok choy. There guys, malapit na siyang maluto. Hindi lang natin kailangan i-overcook yung ating gulay guys. Mas maganda siya guys na half cook lang siya. And then pag nasa pan lang kasi siya, maluluto pa rin siya on its own heat. Guys, luto na siya. So, sa final touch natin, lagay na natin yung sesame oil. Guys. Let's mix up a bit. There guys, okay na siya. So, ita-transfer lang natin siya sa plate. Guys, so, yung ating bok choy beef stir-fried luto na. So, ayun na po siya. And then guys, again, thank you for spending your precious time guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoy. Again, if you're just new to our channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below what you can say about this video or some suggestions. We gladly hear you out guys, and please do also click the notification bell to be updated for our upcoming new videos. See you next time guys. Bye-bye!